Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to make alliance announcements in Lands of Jail. If you want to create or edit an alliance announcement in Lands of Jails, you must first make sure you have the proper rank. Only members with rank 4 or higher are allowed to manage alliance announcements. To check your rank, open your alliance menu and head to the members section where you can view your current position and permissions. If you meet the rank requirement, return to the main alliance screen and select the Alliance Announcement option. From there, you can type your message. Keep in mind that Alliance announcements have a 400 character limit, so make sure your message is clear and direct. Once you finish writing, simply confirm your announcement to publish it. After posting, Alliance members can view the announcement through the Alliance tab, and it may also appear in Alliance chat depending on the update. Alliance announcements are useful for sharing rules, reminders, or important updates, helping your alliance stay organized and active. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.